Apple's contentious iOS privacy changes, they are set to go into effect today, with Facebook arguing they will hurt small businesses most. Julia Borston explains so much back and forth here, Julia.
That's right, Dee. Well, so Facebook's critique of Apple's new operating system is that enabling people to opt out of ad targeting will damage small businesses' ability to reach consumers with ads on Facebook's platform. Now, Facebook says over 200 million businesses use its family of apps, warning that Apple's changes will cause as much as a 60% decline in those companies' sales. But Harvard Business Review issued a report saying that Facebook's estimate of a 60% cut in revenue is too high. But Facebook is working with small business owners such as Lucy Kelly, who spent $25,000 on Facebook ads last year to promote her jewelry and crafting class. She's worried about losing customers.
What this means is that I am either going to have to find a huge amount of budget and get in front of a whole lot of people and just hope that the right people are somewhere in that audience, or I'm going to have to accept the fact that advertising isn't going to be for me and my business simply might not have that as an option.
Facebook is encouraging Kelly to build groups, to build up her direct email list. And Facebook is offering its users tools to support local businesses with a businesses nearby feature on Facebook, as well as its Facebook Shops tab. It also has a small business hub to share best practices with entrepreneurs such as Kelly. Now, Apple says supporting small businesses has been at the heart of the App Store since it was created to help developers of all sizes, to help them develop, test, and distribute apps around the world. Saying we've recently launched the App Store Small Business Program, and for ad-supported business models, we have developed innovative free technologies. Now, of course, what ends up happening now all depends on how many people choose to opt out of targeting. Research from AppsFlyer found that 47% of people are very unlikely to opt in, which means Facebook and others could be losing the ability to target over half of their audience. So, Carl, are you going to be opting in or opting out, or will it depend on the app?
I think in my case, guys, I already am subject to so much targeting. I think I would opt out. I don't know. John, you?
I just find it very hard to care about the small business angle here, because to me, it's about civil liberties, getting to choose where your information goes. If that makes it harder for them to target, figure out a way to do it without, sneaking into my data, Deirdre. I mean, this isn't complicated for me.
Well, shouldn't the fact that so many users want to opt out tell Facebook something that they're not really giving their users what they want? A lot of people don't really like this targeted advertising, right, Julia? I mean, that's sending a pretty big signal.
Well, I don't know, Deirdre. So many people are buying things based on the targeted advertising. It means that the advertising is working. I mean, the fact that Facebook has been able to report such high growth quarter after quarter really indicates that people are responding to that advertising. So I guess the question is, if people start getting ads that are totally irrelevant, will they choose to opt in again and say, hey, I'd rather at least get something that's sort of vaguely interesting to me, Carl?